Welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Financial district at the tip of Manhattan is easily.
What up guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel, Newbie Money. For you guys who are new to my channel, I'm a new day trader who's trying to document everything, and I'm just trying to show you guys what I'm going through, just the emotions, all that good stuff. And if you guys are watching this video and you guys have heard me say that many times, I apologize. I just really gotta let the people know that are what's going on here, if there are new people watching this, but we'll see. Anyways, let's go straight to the trade recap. So today we were up $388, so that's pretty good. At one point we were up almost $600, and I just didn't really take it, and yeah, also good learnables, But so first, let's start off with my watch list. So I was watching NCTY first. So the reason why I wanted to short this, and look at that, beautiful, like it had a high of 27, then like 27.78 or something crazy like that, then it went all the way down to like around the $16-15 mark. So that's pretty crazy action to get here. If you're shorting this, man, like that's $10 per share, right? So if you got 500 shares, you are absolutely laughing. But yeah, so what happened with this one is, first I wanted to short it because, for the obvious reason, this thing is so overextended. Like if you take the price from the high of the day here at 27.82, and you get that price of the 10th day go, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you get the low of this day, it's up around 800% in 10 days. So that's a huge amount of just change in price, right? So that's why I wanted to short it. But when I woke up this morning, I was trying to short it. My broker didn't have any shares to short it, so I was like, okay, that sucks. But I was also looking at trying to short around the $24 mark because I saw a good resistance level looking back in the historical data of the daily chart. So I just went back, like I think a year and a half ago, back in the daily chart, and saw that resistance because that was the only resistance that we were dealing with. But I'm also kind of happy because I don't know what happened here. I don't know if some weird demon algorithm trading this stuff here, but just it goes up. I would probably try to get a position here. So let's just say I'm in here with 300 shares right now. I'll be laughing. It goes up a little bit. I would still be holding it because I like to use the pre-market resistance as a limit order. So I would have been pretty confident that I would have had at least 300 shares anywhere around here. And this thing just pulled some demonic shit, and it just went up and halting up. So I don't know if that I would have gotten out to 24.42 for like a $300 loss or so. So that's the thing, is because this is such a very choppy, horrible chart formation that I probably would have made a mistake because I wouldn't have been prepared for this. And a lot of it is because I looked at this chart and I just fell in love with it, and I was beginning to be biased. So the fact that my broker didn't allow me to trade this stock because they didn't have any shares available, I think might have saved me, because I would have never thought this stock would have gone up to 27.82, and I would have been very hesitant to short here, even short here, because at this point when this stock was going down, all the other Bitcoin related stock like Mara, they were doing pretty good. They were going up because Bitcoin itself was going up too at that time. So it's hard to say what was happening, but all that is to me right now is just data that I'm going to collect, and I'm going to put that in the bank, and I'm good to go from there. FUBO. So this was another thing in my chart. I wanted to buy this dip, and I just thought it was gonna go, to the 30s and continue on, but just the dip didn't go lower enough. I had my first 200 shares here, and I had 400 shares here, and it never came close to it, and it was repping up too fast, too quick for me to follow it, and I didn't want to follow it. I did one trade here, but I bought the dip here, and I sold it here for I think $56 gain. Let's check out RIOT. This is another stock that I was trading quite a bit. So let's see. So I was trying to short here, and I think I got out of this one was like only minus $40. I got out of this one was probably I think minus 30 or 40. Then this one got me to be like plus 70. So I think I was still $10 in overall in this trade. And this whole time here, I'm trying to here, let me show you Mara, because if you look at this chart and now Mara is pretty much identical. So I was trading this stock heavily. So I shorted over here and sold here for $300 gain, and I was trying to add to my positions, and I thought it was going to come down, but it went up more and more. So at this point I was only up 220. So I was like, all right, cool. And here I was trying to short again, and I got faked out, and I think I only got out for like $10 loss. So pretty much all of here I was trying to predict when the stock was going to go lower and lower, and it's hard to do that because the reason why I was trying that is I was looking for, it went down, it went up, and consolidated, and I was looking for a decent move from the consolidation area to a hive area. So this is 2060, 22.30, so like almost like $1.80 per share jump. And I was like, okay, this might be a good idea to go down. And you can tell that with the big red candles that it has, it does look like it was going to pull back, but the buyers just come in and just keep buying it. So there was a lot of buying force here. So I tried it here again. I think I got faked out, so I missed this whole run, and on that bounce back I got in, and this brought me back up to being, I think, 250 or something, or is it over 300 in this one? So now I'm like, okay, it went down, maybe this is going to be the high, and it bounced off. I got it on top here, and it's going to go down. But I just didn't like how these candles were forming, and also I was looking at Bitcoin chart too, and Bitcoin was making a recovery, so I didn't want to get stuck there, so I got out, and I was trying to find another entry. So in here I said I'm going to enter the back side, not the front side. So when the front side was going on here, I didn't touch it, and when the back side came, when it went down, those two big red candles, and I saw a few green candles recovering and it's bouncing off, then I tried to load, and I was just going in and out a little bit. I think in here actually costed me like, or I think I made 80 or 100 there. Man, to be honest, like I traded a lot today, but I was getting very faked out by the unclear downward consolidation, in a sense, where just there was not really good entries in here, and by looking at it now and maybe in the future, I'm going to try to avoid these trades, or just put a very selfish limit order above some at a price what I think might get filled. If it gaps up quickly, then if that does get triggered, then I'm in. If not, it's okay, because I'm still up $300 for that day when I had this. So in here, I got in here, got out here, got more in here, and I only had 100 shares, and it went down here, and I sold it for $77. And over here it went down. Oh man, I wish I bought more, to be honest. So I got it was 200 shares. It went down. Then when it's going up, I got faked out and sold it. And I tried to short here and just faked me out, and I left it. Then in total, I just had a $388 day. But I did notice a bit of me just getting a little bit emotional. I have to be honest with myself. I'm still trying to find out when is a good entry, when is a good exit, you know? And the reason why I was trying to short this is at this point is when Bitcoin hit 40K. I felt like 40K is a very good psychological level that Bitcoin might bounce off, and also on the daily chart on the Bitcoin, the RSI is extremely overextended or overbought. So I was like, maybe I can get a quick 10% drop or something. I got a more than 10% drop quickly, but was me being faked out from here, me trying to protect my asset, that also kind of just ruined me a little bit. But at the same time, I'm playing defensive right now. I'm not being as aggressive to nail these kind of movements, because I was trying to be aggressive last week and trying to nail these movements, and I did get extremely screwed over. So I'm completely okay with missing out on a huge move like this and still banking $388 for that day. Let's see what else. I think let's look at Mara. If Mara does open up a little bit higher tomorrow, I am going to be extremely happy, and I'm going to try to short this guy. My fear is that when the market opens tomorrow, Bitcoin is going to be 37,000 or something, and Mara is going to open up at like $19 or something. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm not going to be too married to the stock and not be too biased and make mistakes. You know, I'm going to take it day by day. If I can make $100 tomorrow, that's good. If I can make $200, that's better. If I can nail this trade and hopefully get another $1,000 day, that's awesome. You know, I'm not going to be chasing stocks anymore. But yeah, guys, that's going to be the day for it for today. If you guys want me to talk about more stuff about some strategies that I'm working on, or just whatever you guys want to hear, please let me know, because I don't really know what you guys really want. I am making a video right now about psychology and different kind of psychology mindset that really helped me, and just how it really shifted my day trading point of view to it. It's amazing how a certain just thought structure really enhances your trading. So I'm going to try to post that by the end of the week. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my channel, and have a good day, okay?